Welcome to Horseshoe Cove on the beautiful Bodega Marine Reserve. We love to share this view through the Bodega Marine Laboratory webcam, watched by over 4,000 people every month. It's nice, but our current webcam setup has a lot of limitations. The image quality is a bit fuzzy. It only refreshes every 10 minutes, which isn't exactly real-time excitement. On top of that, the camera is mounted in an old wooden shed at risk of falling apart during storms. And the cables that connect the camera to the laboratory, they tend to stop working when it rains. That's why we have a plan to make a world of difference. We'll replace that outdated camera with a new high-definition one. A camera that has a special system to wipe salt spray off the lens automatically. You won't miss a wave or a seal spotting, and you'll be able to truly appreciate the beauty of Horseshoe Cove and the ocean beyond. We'll install the camera on a sturdy tower, ensuring the webcam stays safe and functional no matter the weather. We'll also address the connectivity issue. Say goodbye to that unreliable connection. We'll install new cables for a consistent and secure link between the webcam, the laboratory, and you. Why does this project matter? Because the upgraded webcam will bring the wonders of the Bodega Marine Reserve to our local community and beyond. We'd even like to add a second camera with a different view that lets us monitor environmental factors that help us better understand the marine environment on the reserve. But we can't make this project happen without your support. Join us in upgrading the webcam infrastructure, expanding public access, and contributing to important research efforts. Be part of something truly special. Together, we can make a lasting impact. Thank you for your support.